Okay, so I have my blueberries and my raspberries in a bowl. I'm gonna put my pomegranates in there, pomegranate seeds in there. Ish, I can see that. Then my coconut water. I don't know how much I was putting in there. People was putting ice in there. Y'all trifling. It ain't that serious. That actually ain't bad. It actually is good. Cause you know how y'all be dramatic sometimes. This might be a hit. It just tastes like refreshing. Like you just taste like it just feel like you just healthy. Like, and I just got done working out too. Okay. I ain't gonna hold you up. This a hit. Y'all welcome. Because I confirmed it. Unless I was going to confirm it to say it was good. Because y'all know how people be lying. But this shit is a hit. Alright. Bye.